Lot number 2388A, 2004 Polaris Pro X 700. It's been long tracked. We're tearing this machine down into parts. Our phone number is 218-844-4968. Miles on the machine is 2,040. There is no, the rear suspension was taken out because the rails were bad. So we'll tear the rear suspension down into parts also. I'll open up the hood. It's got a 700 Liberty twin, power valve VES motor, SLP box, stock can, stock pipe. We'll do an engine compression test in a different video. Again, this is a 2004 Polaris Pro X 700. Our phone number is 218-844-4968 to purchase parts off this machine. Thanks for stopping by.